Welcome to Building a Better Machine, where we upgrade our skills one command at a time. This is level 13 of Over the Wire's Bandit War Game for Linux. I'm Desmond, and if you're learning Linux with me or leveling up your skills on your own, hit like or subscribe. So let's get it. And on the screen, we have the prompt. The password for the next level stored in the etc bandit underscore pass bandit 14. It can only be read by a user bandit 14. For this level, you don't get the password, but you get a private SSH key that can be used to log into the next level. Look at the commands that logs you into the previous bandit levels and find out how to use the key for this level. Okay. Get going. Hold on. We're level 13, right? So level 13. And here we go. Bandit 14, Bandit 13. Let's see, ls. So this is our private key, ls dash h. For this level, you don't get the password, but you get a private SSH key. Where am I? PWD. Home bandit. So we need to seat. We need to change directory to the etc. etc bandit pass. Bandit 14. This is owned. Let's see, chmod sudo chmod 700 bandit 14. Dooby dooby doo. All right, so I don't have permission. Let's go back to the home directory. ls. Can I do cat ssh key dot private? Is this what I need? I don't know. I'm gonna copy this though. I kind of knew that. Let's just do that. SSH key. Let's read write for the admin, read for the group. No read for anybody else. So I need read writes as bandit 13. So I need to change the permissions of this file. Wait, didn't I just look at it? I'm so confused. Hold on. I'm so confused. Alright. Minus. Where is. So, I was reviewing this the other day. So, the first few are the owner, the next is the group, and the rest is the others. That doesn't feel right to me. If it works, so they seem to indicate that I need to seems to indicate that I need to connect from my computer. So let's do Notepad. I already have this here. New tab. Control C. Control V. Save as. SSH key dot private. Let's drop it in the downloads. Yeah, let's leave it there. Scripts. Okay. Let's open up PowerShell. Let's go SSH. To Bandit. Hold on. Bandit 14. Yeah, minus I. We did SS. It's gonna be. Where is it? Scripts. Copy as path. Come here. Control V. Copy as path. Control V. Blather and blatherskite. Okay. And ls minus LAH. And the password is need to go to PWD. Where are we? So we need to here. Control C. This is so confusing to me. Anyway. So we can do CD, Control V. No. Cat. Holy shit. Whole hour. Add to log machine using a local saved copy of the private key. Holy crap. Well, we didn't win that one. That was kind of a tricky one, and this is why we go through this exercise. Rather, this is why I'm going through this exercise, because even though I read it, I thought that maybe something was wrong with how they put together the game, especially when I looked at the other videos that showed the solution. It was a straight up SSH to local host. And I guess over time they must have figured out or saw that that was causing issues with however the game was set up. So they went this route, which is fine. But I wasn't thinking on that level. And because I wasn't thinking on that level, it caused all of this angst, hardship, drama. I don't know. Anyway, it's done. If this one was this tricky, I'm be 100% upfront with you guys. I'm a little nervous about level 14. But until then, I'm not even sure if I can consider this a small win, but I heard somebody say that small wins, they add up. So keep showing up. But definitely going to learn from this. Anyway, you guys take care. Peace.